A testimonial is an endorsement. A testimonial is someone stepping up and saying, I know these people, I do business with these people, and these are good people. A review typically says, good job. A testimonial says, good people. We want advocates. We want as many people talking about our businesses as we possibly can so that they want to help spread the word. You're going to get somebody to give you a testimonial. That is to provide a great service over and over again and get them to climb the loyalty ladder until they're a raving fan, because raving fans are where you're going to get your testimonials. How can you show up a little bit better today that's going to move people up to that raving fan status? Because the more you have of those, the easier business gets.